Hi, it's Dave Tang with New Legacy Homes, and we're here at 822 Olive Street, one of our recent new builds here in downtown Indianapolis. Fountain Square neighborhood, one of the most desirable neighborhoods in the downtown area. And we're here to talk a little bit about some of the thought that goes into the homes that we build, some of the design features that we include to make it a great living space. We have a large great room area. It's just how people live today, where the kitchen and the dining and the living areas are all kind of integrated together because it's just kind of a free flow. We also create a layout so that it's really easy to get out to a back deck, for example. We've basically expanded the living space simply by opening a door and placing a deck in the right place. So that's, in terms of living space, that's one of the key features that we try to implement.